Hey guys, Matt Steenberg, your local Central Valley real estate agent with Team Spencer of PMZ Real Estate. Just wanted to give you guys a sneak peek at something that we have coming soon. It's going to be hitting the market later this week, and we're going to be having an open house for it this weekend. Either myself or my counterpart Trevor will be there Saturday and Sunday. You're not going to want to miss this, guys. We're back in North Modesto, and the one we had over last weekend was on fire. We had a ton of people come through, and we've got a bunch of offers on the home. So if you're in the market to buy a home, come by and take a look. If you're in the market to sell a home, give us a call because we've got what it takes to make sure it gets done right. Come check it out, guys.